Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the Honorable Head of the Economic Education Study Program, Professor Dr. Sri Indah Nikansari, SEMSA, and to the Honorable Examiner today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizka Amelia, and I'm student of Economic Education 2018 State University of Jakarta. In this occasion, I'm going to present my thesis with the title Analysis of MSME's Development Through the Implementation of the Jackpreneur Program in Increasing Business Success, Study on MSMEs in the Food Sector Business, with my guide lecturer, Professor Dr. Saparudin Mukhtar, SEMSI, and Dr. Karunia Nadianta, AS, SIP, In order to accommodate and bridge the resources and the potential of MSMEs in the DKI Jakarta area, an MSMEs Empowerment Program was launched under the name Jackpreneur. The DKI Jakarta Central Statistic Agency (BPS) note that there are at least 1,100,000 MSMEs in the DKI Jakarta area, which is equivalent to 98.7% of the total number of business in DKI Jakarta. The culinary business is one of the business sector that is widely pursued by business actors in Indonesia. DKI Jakarta has the number of culinary business with a total of 5,159 business. DKI Jakarta Province is ranked first as the province with the largest number of culinary business in Indonesia. However, like other MSMEs, the food and beverage business sector still has various problems such as business legality permits, selection of production raw materials, not having a business entity, not using the internet, and not establishing partnership. Most also do not have a clear financial recording system. Some cannot even separate business financing from household consumption. The entire business process, from the production to the marketing, is usually carried out by the manager or entrepreneur. Generally, these home-scale style or restaurant are assisted by family worker or on-site worker. Meanwhile, with various problems that exist, MSMEs are still able to contribute to Indonesia. From the picture, it can be seen that every year, the number of MSMEs and the ability to contribute to GDP continues to increase. Question research: how is the implementation of the Jackpreneur program in developing registered MSMEs through 6 coaching steps? Is the development of registered MSMEs through the Jackpreneur program able to increase the success of the business being run? Research: to explain how the implementation of the Jackpreneur program in the development of MSMEs is registered through 6 coaching steps. To determine the increase in a business success through the implementation of the Jackpreneur program in the development of MSMEs. In the next discussion is about literature review. In running a business, of course the business wants to reach a point called success. The definition of business success by Nur 2007, success in achieving the business goals that have been set. And according to Tulus Tambunan 2001, said business success can be influenced from internal and external factors such as management business, economic policy, politics, and educational level. Indicator of business success by Suryana and Sambot can be based on an improvement in a various aspects of the business such as capital, business income, sales capability, total production capability, and labor. Next, about implementation of the program according to Webster. Implementation is to provide the means for carrying out to giving practical effect to. Program implementation model by David C. Corton said that there are 3 main elements, namely the program, implementers, and target. The adjustment and refinement of the program to Jackpreneur is expected to become a platform from the creation, facilitation, and collaborator of MSME's development through the entrepreneurial ecosystem, such as startup, educational institution, and financing institution. The Jackpreneur program can be abbreviated as 6P, which is including training, mentoring, licensing, marketing, financial reporting, and a capital. Foundation for Development Law Number 20 of 2008 on MSMEs, access to funding, facilities and infrastructure, business information, partnership, business licensing, business opportunities, trade promotion, and institutional support. Other literature that support this research, from research by Junaidi, there is an effect of the entrepreneurship development program through the Jackpreneur program on the sales turnover of MSMEs. The concept of collaborative governance research by Alif Salsabila and Saraswati has shown effective results to complement each other in improving MSMEs in accordance with Jackpreneur's goals. And the research by Baldeo and Tushar, we know that East Indian MSMEs has also similar problem like Indonesian MSMEs. Research method. This research used a qualitative approach with descriptive method. Place and time of research. This research was conducted between March until May 2023 to owner of MSMEs in a food business sector that are under the guidance of Jackpreneur program. Take breadth of the Jackpreneur program covers allow researchers to be able to collect data from MSMEs that are scattered. The research place carried out by researchers are different, namely Kuningan City Mall, Kuda Laut Street, Erpetra Hati Suci, Haji Salim Street, and DKI Jakarta City Hall. The informant taken by the researchers as source of data to be interviewed as follow: 1 person of key informant, 8 people of main informant, and 2 people for additional informant. With data collection technique, interview, observation, and documentation, and data validity and reliability search triangulation, data processing techniques with Miles and Haberman. Research result. Implementation of Jackpreneur program in developing registered MSMEs through 6 coaching steps. First, training path. The training provided has a very diverse theme. Jackpreneur also collaborates with collaborators in the presenting the theme of material presented. An availability of time to attend training and training materials delivered have already been attended. Budget refocusing. Second, mentoring stage. The mentoring stage is a facility provided by Jackpreneur program by providing entrepreneurial mentors in each sub-district. A different experience was conveyed by another informant regarding the less than optimal mentoring activities on a product marketing information that can be followed to enter offline stores. Licensing stage. Program Jackpreneur facilitates MSME players to have business legality. The government also simplifies the administrative process, which is easy and can be accessed anywhere. The large number of documents that must be filled out, the availability of supporting documents are complaints shared by MSMEs actor. Fourth, marketing stage. Jackpreneur programs with collaborators by utilizing various sales platforms as a means of marketing MSMEs assisted products, limited social media knowledge, and unsupportive device, and the absence of a dedicated employer responsible for managing social media. Application-based financial reporting stage. procurement of training material for the use of financial reporting reapplication by Jackpreneur is carried with Jackpreneur program collaborators. Many of the MSMEs players still carry out financial records manually. On the ground, there is easier and more effective. The capitalization stage. The Jackpreneur program does not provide direct capital to MSMEs, but rather provides direction and recommends fostered business to obtain additional capital through Jackpreneur collaborators. The capitalization stage is the most difficult stage and courted by Jackpreneur program implementation. Increasing business success through Jackpreneur program. Based on the result of observation made by researchers, it is known there is difference than have been felt by a registered MSMEs player after the participating in the Jackpreneur program. Include change in a mindset, relationship, attractive packaging, ownership of business license, and distribution permits. In relation to the success measure described by the Jackpreneur program implementation, MSMEs players also feel the change and improvement that occur in the business they run. However, an increase in a capital asset, ownership, and additional labor is not absolutely interpreted as the achievement of business success by MSMEs actor. Activities in the Jackpreneur program have been designed to meet the needs of MSMEs actor. Of course, this can support achievement of business success. However, business success still depends on the implementation of the 6 steps of coaching by MSMEs actor towards their business. A research discussion. Implementation of Jackpreneur program in developing registered MSMEs through 6 coaching steps. The implementation of the development stage through the 6P by the Jackpreneur program is in accordance with the concept of implementation in the Webster Dictionary. The implementation of the Jackpreneur program by program implementers, in this case the PPK UKM agency and 5 other SKPD, based on Governor Regulation Number 2 of 2020. Is in accordance with Agustino, providing ease of licensing, technical and non-technical training, opening opportunities to market products both online and offline, application-based financial reporting, and opening access to capital. Van Meter and Van Horn emphasize the importance of program resources and communication to facilitate the management of program implementation. This has been realized with the availability of business assistance spread across each sub-district with the aim of bridging between program implementers and program beneficiaries. The concept of MSMEs development through the implementation of 6 coaching steps is familiar to the foundation of MSMEs development as stipulated in Law Number 20 on 2008. First, funding aspect. The implementation of the capital stage is more likely to be carried by Jackpreneur program collaborators such as Bank DKI, BRI, BNI to the provision of KUR. Aspect of business information. The mentoring stage embodies the equality of information dissemination that can be received by registered MSMEs. 3. Facilities and infrastructure aspect. Provision of production facilities or tools is of finding a business place in Tamrin 10 because of being a Jackpreneur member. Partnership aspect, bazaar, partnerships with large business group through the PADI UMKM website, partnership with fellow fostered members selling bundling on the sales of it hampers in 2023. Business licensing aspect. The Jackpreneur program facilitates MSMEs players to have business legality in an easy and a free way. This statement is reversed by the provision of a website that has been centralized by the central government through OSS. Aspect of business opportunities. In this case, the Jackpreneur program provides opportunities for registered MSME players to sell product online under the name e-order, MSME's gebetan package. 7. Trade promotion aspect. Offline bazaar at the sub-district level, online bazaar like Pos JP, Burju, Jakarta Barat Festival, Belanja Jaksel, Jamur Betawi, e-orders, Jackpreneur Goes to Mall, MSME's Gebetan Package, and Domestic and Foreign Exhibition. Institutional support aspect. The realization of this aspect can be seen through business development service by facilitating registered MSME actors to participate in training stage. Suitability between the program and the beneficiaries, whether the program overage is needed by the target group. The Jackpreneur program facilitates MSME players with 6 stages that can be followed after they register themselves and their business with Jackpreneur membership, with facilities of granting business license, mentoring, training, marketing to capital, of course, MSME player feel help. Compatibility between the program and the implementing organization, whether the program implementation have the ability to complete the required tasks. In the implementing the Jackpreneur program, not only MSME players have been success in achieving more advanced business, but the Jackpreneur program implementers have success in exceeded the target set regarding the number of registered members and the achievement at the stage of coaching organized by the Jackpreneur program. Congruent between in the beneficiary group and the implementing organization, the ability of the group target group to meet and the requirement decided to obtain program outputs. The participation of MSME actor in the marketing stage requires certain criteria that must be met by registered MSME actor. The registered mechanism and a product creation are a stage that must be followed by MSME actor with different level of difficulty and increasing difficult along with the level of bazaar organizer. In addition to the bazaar registration and product creation stage, fulfillment of ownership of business license and distribution permits needs to be fulfilled first before marketing the product. Increasing business success through Jackpreneur program, Nur. In the interview, a similar thing that was said by an informant who stated that a successful business is a business that can be in accordance with the vision and mission that was built at the beginning. Sajuti Jahya, the participation of the MSME player in various activities designed by the Jackpreneur program is an effort made to achieve increased business success from the previous period. Tulus Tambunan, it was mentioned in the interview process that all activities in the Jackpreneur program are comprehensive and open opportunities for registered MSME actor, but business success in the personal responsibility of MSME actor in applying the development stage that have been provided. This was also recognized by one of the MSME players who realized that success could be achieved if MSME player continue and innovated and continue to be enthusiastic. From Suryana and Sambot, similar to Jackpreneur program business success indicators are guided by Government Regulation Number 2 of 2020. First, increasing turnover. Increasing in a business turnover and in line with greater sales capability. a fairly consistent increase in turnover has been achieved by several registered MSME sector interviewed by researchers. However, this is an increase in turnover that is still running inconsistently. The increase in turnovers only occurs when the bazaar takes place. 2. Asset ownership. The information from the group of registered MSME players admitted that after being active in the Jackpreneur program membership, change in asset ownership were felt with the increase in production support equipment. In addition to tangible asset, ownership of intangible assets such as business license and distribution permits also support businesses to achieve higher success. 3. Labor. Additional labor can be done when the sales ability has increased consistently over a long period of time. For a business that have not experienced a consistent increase in a sales ability, based on the research of interviewers, MSMEs apply a part-time system. Conclusion. The implementation of Jackpreneur program took 6 coaching steps carried by PPK UKM Agency and 5 other SKPD based on Gubernur regulation has covered effort to foster a conducive climate in the context of developing MSMEs. The 6 coaching steps including training, business assistant, business licensing, marketing, application-based financial reporting, and capital. The combination of researchers' utilization applied to the Jackpreneur program is able to support the implementation of the program to achieve maximum result. The 3 main elements of the achieved program success, namely the Jackpreneur program. The Jackpreneur program implements PPK UKM Agency and 5 other SKPD, and program beneficiaries have compatibility in meeting in the needs of the program overall. Qualified program implementation groups and ability of MSME sector to follow the coaching flow has been successfully achieved. From the various MSME development efforts carried out through the 6 steps of coaching, an upgraded business is a firm that is able to increase the success of the business being run in according with Suryana and Sambot as well as Jackpreneur program success indicator guidelines. However, the achievement of business success still depends on the ability of registered MSME sector in the process to implementing the coaching activities that have been obtained, as stated in Tulus Tambunan. That's all what I can present. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.